Hi, I'm Ribic and I'm Commercial Director of MFC International. Today we are going to present you MFC Inflatable Shelters. So I would like to present you some key features of our shelters. All our shelters come with roll-up door with possibility to connect shelters together to each other, with air ventilation, then inflation-deflation valve with relief valve, then sleeve for the cables, and it also includes heating and cooling port. If the weather conditions are not the same as today and it's quite windy outside, you can use guidelines to connect the shelter to the ground, or you can use ballast bags on the floor, which is completely detachable. All our shelters come equipped with windows, but this particular one was custom made with bigger windows. All our shelters also come equipped with blinds. Additional features of our shelters are they are fully inflatable, so it means quick to deploy and quick to take it down, easy to pack, available in different sizes and colors, and they are completely welded, which means they can be used in hot and cold environment. For more information, visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you.